baseball player. Look the part. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Tania. Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and lately we've been doing a lot of vlogging. So I did my hair and some things. So in the vlog, you'll see me doing this. I just did a pin curl basically overnight to kind of give myself these curls. I always pin curl my hair at night when I do a silk press because this is the style that I like, but it ended up looking really good. And I worked out this morning, like real light Pilates type of workout, so it's a little fuzzy, so but I like that. That's what I was going for. If you see later in the video, I was trying to use one of them volumizing brushes to get this. It don't work, y'all, not for me. So just straightening my hair on like a lower heat and then pin curling it at night is what works. So that's going to be my method until I get me some braids, because that's next, because I can't do this. I might have a sew in tomorrow, who knows, because I'm starting my 75 soft all over again today. I know, but we're gonna do it because we have 75 days till summer and we got to start again. I have already lost weight though, even though I haven't like been working out as hard as I was in the beginning. But I just wanted to come on and say hi and intro the vlog because I didn't last time. It's Monday. I'm about to make some coffee, do some Bible study. I figure you guys can hang out with me a little bit. Okay guys, so I tried to give y'all a little snippet of my Bible study this morning. I didn't have a really good study. I only got through 2 chapters, but that's good enough. Sometimes that's just how it goes. But you know, the book I've been using for about a year or 2. I've actually had it for like 3 years in total. And it's just it's a comprehensive like book, and it breaks down the Old Testament and the New Testament, and it has these like journal kind of questions in it. It also breaks down the history of each like chapter in each book of the Bible, and it's really good. I really love it. I will put the link down below. I got it from Instagram. I found it on Instagram years ago, but I know the site is still up because I recommend it to anyone and everyone because I love the way it's written. I love how it gives you like the major theme of every chapter, of every book in the Bible. It also gives you notes. It gives you the history. So I find myself like wanting to like stay and keep reading because I've always been like a big like nerd history. And I love that piece, how it gives you the idea of the state of politics at the time, you know, what happened. So I'm reading Thessalonians right now. And you know, I love Paul. Paul's my favorite writer of the entire Bible because he be eating us up, okay? And anything that he writes is just top tier. So I'm just reading about him talking to the different churches and people that they went out and spoke the gospel to, and it's just amazing. And I love that book. I didn't get to do a deep dive today, so I'll probably do some more tonight. I try not to be too hard on myself. I used to get really mad at myself when I didn't have a good hour or so, but that's life. So I'm working today. I'm about to actually head out. I have to take my son to a doctor's appointment in like 30 minutes basically. So I just wanted to come back and say hi because I sometimes forget. I'm just having a really interesting day, you know. My Bible study got cut short because someone sent me a chat at 7:40 in the morning. And it's my fault because I always log in early, just because out of habit. Like if I'm already awake, if my computer's already open, I might as well just log in. And I showed myself as available and someone sent me a chat. So I went and worked basically. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna do my outfits. I'm like days behind. I'm like 3 days behind really in posting my outfits, but I haven't really gone anywhere. I've just been wearing like leggings. Today I'm actually really cute. Let me show y'all. So I'm pretty cute. I'm gonna stand here so you can see me. I have these cute little pants that I'm wearing. I found these are from H&M, but they were in my like closet just sitting, and they're like track pants, and they have like buttons on the side. I'm wearing an extra large, so it's kind of big, but I like that because I'm tall and I hate when pants are short on me. So they're cute, and it's really cold today. It's like 33 degrees out. He's got his pajama pants on still, but I got Easton off to school. We're about to go to the doctor's office for his 18-month checkup, and then we're going to come back. I have to work with him because of the doctor's appointment. I kept him home. So yeah, want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. Hi. All right, my hair, I love my hair, y'all. I love my hair. The Pilates I did, I was sweating, and I can tell like at the roots that she got a little, but I love it. I'm gonna let it do what it do. I'm gonna try not to sweat as much when I'm working out. I'm just gonna focus, I think, my 75 days on fasting more than anything. Say what you want. I know you're supposed to eat. I'm just gonna do OMAD for 75 days. That's what I'm gonna do for 75 days, and I'm gonna see how great of a difference it makes. I'm probably just gonna walk for 30 minutes a day. So we'll probably go for a walk today. After we leave the doctor's office for like 30 minutes. It's a little chilly, so I might just walk on the treadmill or do my stepper Did I show y'all my stepper? I'm gonna show you my stepper later because I have to get him ready. We have to leave in like 20 minutes. So I will check back in later. Bye. Are you guys watching the eclipse? You're not supposed to look up without those special glasses. We don't have any, so we went for a walk and I kind of just walked around, kind of just to be outside while it was happening. It just went from like really sunny to dark. Wanna go outside? Go ahead. Go outside. Talking to my dog. Yeah, so we just like went for a quick walk and walked around a bit. But it's like completely dark. And it was so sunny and bright in here. I'm eating a late lunch, early dinner. We have so much to do today. We have a t-ball game. We have a t-ball game tonight at 5:30. So I'm eating now so I can enjoy it. I'm finishing up work. And yeah, I just wanted to check back in, see how y'all were doing. Also, if you guys were able to see the eclipse. I'm in New Jersey, so I think we only got 91% coverage from where we are able to view it, but I didn't even try to view it because I was too afraid that you know, I was going to go blind. Hold on a tripod. Yeah, so I'm trying to eat. I'm eating some like leftovers. We have a bunch of leftovers, so I'm eating some leftovers, and I haven't cooked with y'all in a while or anything. These are like takeout leftovers. I had Mexican the other day. We have a game today, like I was saying, so there's gonna be a lot of running around this afternoon after Easton comes home. So I'm gonna have to get him dinner really quickly, then get him ready for t-ball and energized and interested because he has not been interested in t-ball as of lately. Well, since the beginning he was not interested. So anyway, that would be interesting, but I just wanted to check in and say hi because that's what we do. We went for a walk and I should have like took a snippet of it, but I was just enjoying the breeze and outdoors, so we went for a walk. We walked for a good hour, right, Miles? Miles was doing so good. So I'm gonna eat and I'll check back in later. Hope you guys enjoyed the eclipse. I looked directly at the sun twice. Hope I don't go blind. God willing, I won't. But yeah, so I'll check back in later. I'll take like a little snippet probably of our t-ball game, and then we'll probably do something later tonight together, if I'm being honest. I don't want to put myself in too much. I might do some skincare. I got some new stuff from Sephora. Not really, not anything new to try, but maybe I'll just show you guys what I got so far from the Sephora sale, because I did go to Sephora Saturday and picked up some stuff in store, but there's still quite a bit of things I need to order. So we'll go through what I got tonight and do some skincare maybe. I don't know, just to like have a closeout of this vlog, because I want to close out the vlog every day so I can do daily vlogs for a while, just to push my channel, like I said. So I'm gonna eat. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. It's happening right now. Can't really see it. So how's it feel to be a cool baseball player? You look the part. Did you have fun today with all your friends? I saw you making friends on the baseball field. Who's your best friend now on the team? Bye. Bye. Where are you going? Bye. Bye. I'm sorry that we did not get to do any skincare together, but I will make sure to update you guys on my nighttime routine. Again, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.